The best double-din head unit is an all-in-one entertainment system for your vehicle, designed to offer a fantastic alternative to your smartphone when you don't want to waste your bandwidth or your battery life. Double-din radios are particularly appealing in the modern world because they go beyond the basics of a standard radio device. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best double-din head units for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. Here we have 2 products from the same brand. Jensen CMR270 and Jensen CDR462. These double-din car stereos are the best budget units from this list, with a price of around $100. Looking for an easier way to upgrade your vehicle entertainment system? The Jensen CDR462 and CMR270 receivers fit most 2-din dash openings and feature built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. A dedicated push-to-talk button lets you activate the voice assistant on your smartphone connected via Bluetooth. Play back your favorite songs from microSD cards, USB drives, or via the 3.5mm O connection. Both receivers have 200 watts of peak power and include a backup camera input so you can stay aware of your surroundings even while reversing. The Jensen CDR462 multimeter receiver has a 6.2-inch touchscreen and features DVD playback for your disc collection. 3 pairs of RCA preamp outputs combined with a video output makes it easy to add amplifiers and send your favorite movies to backseat monitors on your next trip. If ease of installation is your priority, check out the CMR270 media receiver, which features a short-depth chassis while still boasting a 7-inch touchscreen. Use the J-Link Smart Remote app to control key receiver features via an Apple or Android smartphone, connected via Bluetooth. This receiver was designed with a front panel USB input for charging your phone while in the car. Keep your phone charged for long drives, so that your favorite smartphone navigation apps are always at your fingers. Also, they come with front camera compatibility. Improve your awareness of what hazards lay in front of your car. Navigating parking lots and driveways has never been easier. Whichever model you choose, you can count on Jensen's robust quality and performance to elevate your ride. Number 4. ATOTO A6 CarLink. The best value for the money double-din head unit. This deck has $700 worth of tech for a ridiculously low price, around $200. The A6 CarLink Android head units dedicate to keeping you connected on the road. Featured with CarPlay and Android Auto, the newly launched ATOTO A6KL head unit can bring you a truly connected experience. Access your favorite phone apps, music, or navigation right in your dashboard. More than 1,000 apps have been tested installable on A6KL. Especially media, entertainment and navigation apps in the category of auto and vehicles. Adopting a universal double-din and 50mm short chassis, A6KL leaves a space behind its display module for cabling and other accessory storage. Its 7-inch and 178-degree full viewing angle IPS touchscreen can improve your viewing experience when driving in strong sunlit areas. With wired CarPlay and Android Auto connection, you can control key phone features directly from A6KL, such as making calls, and using maps with just a word or a touch.
Hi, Siri. Call David. Okay Google. Take me to Los Angeles International Airport.
Except for the voice command, you can also wake up Siri or Google Assistant by pressing the home button. Phone mirroring is also available on A6KL for both iPhone and Android phones, wireless or wired. The choice is yours. You can enjoy your favorite apps that are not supported by CarPlay or Android Auto on the A6KL screen too. A6KL can read up to a max of 512 GB of USB devices and 2 TB of SSD storage for multimedia playback. It brings you 3 ways to access the internet: personal hotspot, Bluetooth tethering, and USB network tethering. USB network tethering is a newly introduced option by ATOTO. It allows you to share phone data with A6KL via USB connection, and help save your phone battery or even increase it slightly. Number 3. Alpine ILX W650. The best high-power touchscreen head unit. You can get it for around $450. The Alpine ILX W650 is a great double-din car stereo for anyone looking for a quality product packed with features. The biggest selling point for this unit is that it is designed to work with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This means that you will be able to use all of your favorite apps on your phone while still being hands-free. The unit also features a built-in amplifier, Bluetooth connectivity, and a USB port. The display on the Alpine ILX W650 is a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen. This is an excellent size for a car stereo, as it will give you plenty of space to see what you are doing. The resolution is also excellent so that you won't have any problems with clarity. The controls on the Alpine ILX W650 are very straightforward. The unit features a touchscreen that is designed to be easy to use. You can access all of the unit's features by swiping your finger across the screen. It also has a built-in microphone so that you can use hands-free control to access apps using your voice. The Alpine ILX W650 is expandable, so you can add to it if you need to. The unit has inputs for a rear camera, 2 USB ports, and an auxiliary port. You can also add on a Sirius XM satellite radio tuner if you want. It gets also outputs for a 6-channel preamp. Installing the Alpine ILX W650 is very easy. The unit comes with a shallow mount chassis designed to fit into most cars. This also comes with all of the necessary wiring to get it up and running. The only downside to this car stereo is that it does require a wired connection to the parking brake to access all of the features. Overall, the Alpine ILX W650 is a great double-din head unit packed with features and is sure to please anyone looking for a quality product. Number 2. Stinger 6.8 Double-Din Complete Radio Kit Package. This is the best runner-up double-din head unit from our list. It is available at a reasonable price of about $300. Looking for an affordable way to add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to your commute? Introducing the 6.8-inch shallow double-din multimedia receiver with capacitive touch. Measuring less than 3.5 inches deep, this multimedia receiver can fit into nearly any vehicle with a double-din opening. The multimedia receiver allows you to safely use your phone on the road with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for hands-free calling, messaging, access to your favorite music apps like Spotify and Pandora, and navigation apps such as Waze or Google Maps, without having to reach for your phone. It also offers Bluetooth connectivity for wireless phone connection and audio playback. Adjust volume without taking your hands off the wheel. The multimedia receiver allows for steering wheel control retention, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Customize the display background by selecting one of 3 factory options, or give it a more personal touch and upload 2 of your favorite images or photos. Safety is always a top priority while driving. That's why the multimedia receiver offers a rear camera input with adjustable guidelines. Being able to see what's behind you will make every trip safer. Expand your audio experience with a built-in 13-band EQ. High and low pass filters with built-in crossover. And time alignment. Ready to add tons of great new features to your vehicle? Upgrade to the 6.8-inch touchscreen shallow double-din multimedia receiver to make every drive safer and more enjoyable. Number 1. This is Pioneer's MVH1400NEX. This is an in-AM/FM, Apple CarPlay compatible multimedia receiver, with a 6.2-inch capacitive glass touchscreen. The MVH1400NEX has 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and is Sirius XM ready. The system has a full on-screen interface for both Spotify and Pandora, operating from your Android phone, or from your iPhone. The USB port can be used to connect your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC music, and MP4 videos. The system features built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The front panel is a 6.2-inch capacitive glass, touchscreen panel. You'll see that all of the system control buttons here are inside the screen glass. The volume control is here. And the home key and display keys are here. The voice activation key is here. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver, with the 6.2-inch capacitive glass touchscreen. Please note, the MVH1400NEX does not play CDs or DVDs. The back panel of the MVH1400NEX has 2 black jacks at the top here. The one on the left is for the Bluetooth microphone included with the product, and the one on the right is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. Here is where you'll plug in the optional SXV300 tuner from Sirius XM. And this is the dedicated port for the optional iData Link Maestro RR OEM integration unit. Here is the USB port that can be used for Apple CarPlay from your iPhone. And please remember that it's included a USB extension in the box to bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment. This is the audio and video auxiliary input, and the wire harness from the vehicle will plug in right here. On the other side, we have 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and sub output, or for better sound quality and system control, high, mid, and low output. The yellow port up here is for adding on the optional ABQ 280 navigation system from Pioneer. And the brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. Here we have audio and video RCA input, and video output. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here.